Okie doke. Here we go. These first two types of problems are of the same vein. The next two will be the second type of problem. And then we got the cost ones tomorrow and the river stuff. Both of those tomorrow about money. This one here first, got a farmer plans to fence a rectangular pasture adjacent to a river. The pasture must contain 1,000 or 180, whatever number that is, who cares. What dimensions would require the least amount of fencing? First, you might want to get a picture of what's going on. So we need a river. Need some blue. There's the river. And we have to make a rectangle around it, huh? Do we need fencing along the river? Nope. The river could stop the varmints or whatever we got, maybe. Okay. That rectangle looks like that, right? It says it must contain 180,000 square meters. So that's kind of my restriction, isn't it? That would mean that x times y would have to equal 180,000. But what am I trying to minimize or maximize here? The amount of fencing. So kind of the perimeter of the whole thing, right? So I'll just call it, I'm going to use this underneath my river. The perimeter is what? 2x's plus a y. What's our issue with that? 2 letters over here, right? That's a bad issue. So I got to take one of those and solve it. Which one do you want to do? Because I asked you. You don't have to be rude about this whole thing. I only get it once in a while, every so often. It's like you're rude to me every day? Am I like this in physics? It's a different guy. It's a different teacher. Different teacher. Actually, there, the teacher feature, there's actually one teacher feature for the calculus teacher. And there's another one for the physics teacher. Because this one's the physics teacher because I stood with the rocket.
But it's the same information. It tells that you taught all the math classes.
I screwed
I
it
read
up.
all math classes.
All right, so this is going in here. I got that. And so what I really have is 2x plus 180,000 x to the -1. And what do I got to do to that? I get differentiated. Two minus, big number, 180,000 over x squared, right? And what do I have to do to that to find a maximum in? Let it equal to 0. Which really means that's equal to that. Which really means x squared is equal to 90,000. And I take the square root. So x is 300. What are the dimensions to look for the answer? Do I just want 300? No, I need 300 by what? That's got to go back up into there, doesn't it? So 300 got 60 or 600 or 600,000. Well, like you would know. And these are in meters, right? 300 by 600 meters. There you go. Any issues? Any questions? What?
I really